What's going on YouTube? 6'5 Rider here, coming back to you with another video. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in sunny, hot ass South Florida. And I just came back from a very nice ride. You can check out that video up here. But as soon as I got home, I saw this little box at my door. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing for what is, in my opinion, the best street-oriented riding motorcycle boots on the market. I'm wearing them right now. And I ended up just getting another pair because I just honestly love them so much, and I've worn these on literally every ride that I've gone to. These are the Indy Ridge boots, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ones that I'm wearing, talk about it really quickly, and then we're gonna unbox my new ones. So here they are, you guys. These are my existing ones. Sorry, they're pretty worn out because I've owned these for about 2 years now. I have worn them on every single ride that I have taken on either of my bikes, both the Pan America as well as the Road Glide. I've taken it to Sturgis, I've taken it to Daytona a bunch of times. I've had it in the rain, in the sun, in the cold, and they've held up really well. I say these are the best boots on the market today just because of how comfortable they are. And these are the Indy Ridge Night Edition ventilated boots. I initially bought this one because it was super, dark color, and it kind of matches everything. You'll see in here there's some ankle protection. Up here, you don't have a steel toe up here, but it's like really hard, so it'll protect you if you go down. And then you'll see this is all the way up on your ankles, so like, God forbid you ever go down or something, at least your feet are protected. I love these boots, and the reason why I love them so much is because they don't even feel like they're riding boots. They feel like they're regular sneakers or shoes. They're super comfy. A lot of the reviews that I've watched on YouTube, people always say they actually wear these to like go out and whatnot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you that that's what I do. I honestly don't, because they're boots. I live in Florida. They're a mission to put on, but they are really comfy. Really comfortable boots. I can tell you it took about a month of wearing them to actually break in and become comfy. At first, like the first week that I wore them, I was honestly considering returning them just because it was super stiff. But I guess with good leather, that's how it is. Like at first it's stiff until it conforms to the shape of your foot. And that's what happened. And now, like whenever, honestly, like we go out to a ride, head up a rally or something like that, I'd walk for miles in these, and they're so comfortable. They are honestly one of the most comfortable pair of shoes that I have. One thing to note, these do run a little big. So my everyday shoe size is actually an 11.5 to 12 in some brands. However, I had to size down a half a size. So I went from an 11.5 to an 11, and these fit me perfectly. So that's my recommendation to you guys. Definitely size down if you're buying these boots. They're made by an American company based in California. Although I do see it says New York here, not sure why, but yes, it's based in California. And the owner is a great guy, him and his wife. I think they ride also, which is pretty awesome. So, like I said, I've worn these for about 2 years and finally decided that it's time to get a new pair. So let's go ahead and unbox the new ones. I am super excited for this because as much as I love these, they're definitely getting worn out, and I want to be able to rotate and wear different boots and whatnot. So let's go ahead and unbox this new one. Alright, so the camera's got 12% battery left. Let's see if we can finish up this video in that time. Got my trusty box cutter over here. Alright. One thing that I really like about this company is their packaging is amazing. It's always really cool. So you got your order form right here. Oh, look at this little drawing. That's pretty cool. What does it say? Roaring Grizzly. Interesting. Okay, cool painting. Ooh, look at this. Alright, so you got this, you got a message from the owner, Steve at Indy Ridge. Congrats, you found us. Now it's my job to keep you here. If you have questions or concerns, they have their actual phone number right here. And then it has the Live Free 700 guarantee. This is the most generous guarantee in the industry. And also for an extra 10% off, include the name of your favorite lead guitarist when you send out Live Free 700. And here's a quick QR code for size exchanges and returns. I freaking love this because they make it so easy for the consumer. By the way, guys, I'm not sponsored by or affiliated with this company whatsoever. I just really, really believe in their product. All right, here we go. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, man, this is so cool. What a cool color, guys. This would look really good with like jeans, you know, blue and black. Oh, really nice. But you can tell, like, here, I'll hold them both together. See how this is like already worn and stuff? Like, you can tell this is like brand new and it's super stiff. So it's gonna take a little bit of time for me to actually break it in. So as hard as it's going to be, I'm going to actually wear it on every single ride that I take it in going forward, just so I can break it in as soon as possible. Even like, look here, like how strong that is compared to this. It's still strong, but not as strong. So you have more protection, obviously, with the newer version. So this is the Crossfield. You'll see I got it in the same size. Oh, and you'll see it actually has both CE 1 and 2 protection in different sides of the boot. Really, really cool. Very stylish. They don't even look like motorcycle boots. They look like just regular boots, which is pretty awesome. So because I live in Florida, I decided to go again with the ventilated ones, just to get a little bit of air on my feet as I'm riding. Here's the other pair, pretty much the same thing. This is kind of disappointing. Previously, when I made orders with Indie Ridge, they always included like a little neck gaiter with the American flag or something like that, which I have like 3 of them at home, so I don't need another one, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, they used to include it in the box. I guess it became a little too much for them. Well, cool. I'm super excited to wear these shoes going forward. One thing I will mention is before I bought these shoes, I actually originally bought a pair of gloves. Because I heard their gloves were really good, and unfortunately I bought 2 different sizes and none of them fit me well. So instead of trying for a 3rd size, I decided to just take that credit and apply it towards a new pair of boots, and then I was just gonna buy gloves from Cycle Gear or somewhere where I can actually test it and make sure the sizing is correct. And so that's it, you guys. That was a quick unboxing and a review of the Indie Ridge boots. It's a company I really believe in. I recently have started to wear more gear when I'm on the bike because, you know, it's the smarter thing to do. I'm at an age right now where I don't like taking many risks. And so it's always good to have your feet protected along with the rest of your body, like wearing a jacket and whatnot. And, you know, I'm also over here, you don't see it, but I'm wearing some Street and Steel riding jeans. If you have any questions about the boots or anything like that, hit me up in the comments below. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Whatever it may be, I'll answer you the best I can. But again, I truly endorse these boots because they're super comfortable to the point where I went ahead and spent the money and bought another pair. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys found it insightful. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Later.